lamp replacement for Samsung part number BP96-01403A. Brought to you by ShopJimmy.com. Visit www.shopjimmy.com to search the hundreds of thousands of TV parts in our inventory. To properly replace the lamp inside of your projection TV, you'll need the following materials: a pair of latex gloves, your ShopJimmy.com replacement lamp, a cup to hold your lamp screws, clips, and other small items, and both a flathead and Phillips screwdriver. So let's get to it, shall we? Unscrew and remove the lamp door at the back of your TV. Loosen the screw on the back of the lamp. Gently guide the lamp out of the back of the TV, keeping a firm grip on the handle. All ShopJimmy replacement lamps are OEM compatible. Prior to installing your new lamp, please check both lamps and verify that they are equal. Gently guide the lamp back into the TV, keeping a firm grip on the handle. Tighten the screw until it's hand tight. Reinstall the lamp door and tighten the door screws. Plug in your TV and turn the power on, and your ShopJimmy replacement bulb will light up immediately. Thank you for watching one of our many tutorials here at ShopJimmy.com. If you need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to call our award-winning customer service team at the number on your screen. To help with your inquiry, please write down the ShopJimmy item number also provided on your screen.